Today we'll look at some potential issues with third-party CAD data and how we can fix it. Sometimes when importing third-party CAD you can get cylindrical faces that are divided. If you'd like them not to be divided, there's a few ways that we can fix that. First is on import. If you make sure that you're bringing in the data with options to simplify and optimize the faces, what you'll see is all of the faces will be merged. If optimize and simplify don't clean it up, we have some alternatives. First is with replace face, and we want to do this replace face command in the idealized part. So we'll create our simulation files. And then we'll go into the idealized part where we'll create an associative copy of our geometry. And we want to make sure that we put that on a separate layer, an empty layer. So now we'll turn off the layer with the component geometry on it. And now we just have our wave-linked bodies. So now we can fix the divided faces with a replace face command, but that may be a bit too clicky. Something that's a little less clicky is the join face legacy command, which is available in the modeling application. And it's not on any toolbar or menu. You need to search for it, join face legacy. And to make it easier to use, what you can do is customize your toolbar to add join face legacy to it, which I've already done. Here, I'll go ahead and remove it. You can just drag it to the toolbar that you want it. And join face legacy allows you to merge those faces with a single click. The only problem is if you click on a body that's already merged, it kicks you back out of the command, so it takes a few extra clicks to get back into it. Now, an even better solution is if you have several bodies that have faces that need to be merged and you don't want to click on each one of them with the join face legacy command, you instead can use a journal file to clean up all the faces of all the bodies in one shot. And I have the details of it in the description. It will automatically merge all of the faces of all of the bodies in one command. So there are some options for cleaning up third-party CAD.